Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will introduce you guys a brand new wireless auto CarPlay adapter. To use it, you plug it in to your car's existing wired CarPlay port, and then you enter CarPlay, and then you come around to your phone, connect it with Bluetooth, right? Click pair, click allow, and then again click connect, and wait for the prompt to complete. There we go. It's as easy as that. And every time you restart your car, it automatically reconnects without connecting to the Bluetooth or connecting to Wi-Fi. And it works just like wired CarPlay. You can get one from InvisiCast.com. Link in the description. I'll put the full link in the description. You can get it for $37.99. I will include the manual, the link for the update, and all the FAQ in this little booklet here. And by the way, it comes with a USB-C adapter as well. If your car comes with a USB-C port, so you can, use that as well. You can adapt easily. Or if you have any questions, you can send me an email at joseph@azizicast.com and ask me anything. As you can also send me a message via my Facebook Messenger. I will also put a link in the description so you guys can find me easily. I can answer any questions you guys have with regard to this little adapter. And here you go. Here is the quick video on how to use wireless CarPlay adapter from Azizi.